Hey everyone, welcome in this new video, and now we're gonna talk about building in public. As an indie hacker, you probably already know how to build stuff with code, but if you're here, it's because you don't have the visibility you would like to have on X. You would like to have more followers, to have a bigger reach, and then sell more of your product. And I have to tell you, on X, your reach increases with the amount of followers that you have. So if you have only few followers, your content will probably never be shown to new people. And you can verify that really easily. On my account, you can see that the more you go back in my history and the less reach I have on my post. And then after I grew my follower base, it started to show on new people and I got discovered more. But the problem is, if you want people to follow you, you will need to have some content to show them. Because nobody wants to follow someone without content on his page. They want to follow humans that have cool stuff to share and not only aggressive marketing offers. And this part will be about that. How to market yourself and your personality in a way that is appealing and that gives others a reason to follow you. Well, actually, it's not that hard. As a developer, you will want to post content around the things you're already doing every single day. If you shipped some new features, you can write a tweet about it. If you crossed a new milestone, maybe 10, 20, 100 followers on X, you can write a tweet about it. If you failed at something, maybe you failed one startup, one job, one feature, then it's worth sharing again. And the more personalities, the more related to you and authentic, the more likely people are to like it. We'll see that later, but you have to keep in mind that you want to tweet when you're building things and not only at the end. You want to create the audience at the same time as you're building stuff. And the best way to create an audience that is interested by what you're doing is to post about what you are doing. But not just what you're doing, but also your feelings. If you feel happy, tired, nervous, sad, no matter what, share it. Building in public is not about being perfect, it's about being you. And even if you don't know how to code yet and that you're learning, you can tweet about the new stuff that you learn every single day. The amount of completion of the course or about the stuff that you didn't understand. And this way of sharing your journey actually works. It works because people like transparency. They don't want to follow bots or perfect people who know everything. They want to follow people who are on a journey because they can identify themselves to you. Since you share your journey with the failure, the success, they can see that you're not faking. You are just you.